On this week with Paint with Frenemy, I'll be redoing an old painting I did from back in 2010 called The Lonely Little Night Owl. This was one of my favorite paintings from this era, and I haven't done this character in a while. Draw out this cute little bird lady hanging out in the trees. She's got some deer antlers, got a little leaf she's playing with, trying to keep herself entertained. Now I'm going to start working in the watercolor. I'm going to start out with her body. She's got this weird little brown furry suit on. I'm going to work in browns and yellows. I'll just build it up as I go along. Darks to lights, darks to lights. Now working on her face. I want to give her a lot of character, so I'm going to add some browns around her mouth, and some bright reds around her eyes, give her some rosy cheeks, for her blonde hair, some deer antlers, and this bright green leaf she's playing. Now for this tree she's hanging out in, I'm going to work in light browns and dark browns, back and forth, maybe add in a little bit of yellows for some highlights, and get this tree looking good. Now for these treetops, I want to get these looking super bright. I'm going to work in lots of dark greens to light greens, just get it super saturated, get these treetops looking really vibrant. Now for this night sky, I'm using a super dark brown, and at the edge of everything, I'm going to have it be dark and then fade it out, and it'll give a really cool night sky effect. On last week's episode, I did a crazy neon skull with this funny little forest goblin using really bright neon colors in kind of my new style, and this is kind of a fun throwback. With my old illustration style, I watercolor everything first, and now I'm going to outline everything with Sharpie markers and micron pens. And I use the micron pens because they have different size nibs, and I can do different size details. So now I go through and I add a bunch of patterns throughout the character with the different size pens. This part is super tedious, but I think it adds so much to the character. It really gives a nice texturing effect and makes it look like there's different kinds of hair all over this little night owl. So I've got my lonely little night owl hanging out up in the trees. She loves to look out over the night at all the other forest creatures down on the forest floor. She follows along with them, flying branch to branch, looking down at all of their adventures, wishing she could take part, but she's just too shy. Now I just add some stars in the sky, and here we have it. A 2010 Lonely Little Night Owl, and a Lonely Little Night Owl from now. Thanks for following along. Hey guys, this is Frenemy. If you like what you saw, like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week for some more Creature Creative.